Alrighty, so here we are, guys, back again. We got some more epic tools ready. We got the carpet cleaner.
There's these cleaner things here if you
Okay.
want to try something a little stronger.
Okay. So they're like stain removers or whatever?
Yeah, carpet cleaners.
Okay.
There might be stain remover in there too. There's a couple more cans of stuff.
Alright, sounds good. Sweet. So we also got some extra stuff in there too. So we will get that. This carpet cleaner, by the way, it has 10 million power on Rise of Kingdom, so it's pretty powerful. So let's get right into the cleaning part here. We're gonna start with that front part here. Let's just get a tour. Look before we start cleaning. So here it is. Before we start cleaning, it's pretty dirty. We'll get it cleaned right up, hopefully. Let's go. Alrighty, now we're gonna try some of this stuff. There's some heavy stainage down in the bottom here. Let's try and get some of it out. I don't know if you... Maybe I should read the instruction. Direction. Vacuum loose dirt, shake well and spray it evenly on, rub it and foam it. Okay, shake it. Spray it. Rub it. Spray it. Rub it. Pretty dry now. Now let's blast it with the carpet cleaner again. See if this really gets it cleaned out. Now we'll hit those stains again. Oops. Oh, well, I broke it. Anyways, put that away. Put this back on there. Maybe the cap goes on first. Whoops. They're fixed. And then we stick this. Boom. Fixed. No problem. It doesn't really work quite the same anymore. There. Now it does. Perfect. Oh, shit. Anyways. Oops. Okay. Yep. Let's get this just cleaned right up. There we go. That's most of it all rubbed in there. Turn on the washer thingy, the carpet cleaner again. Let's blast this thing. So yeah, I finished, ran out of water with the vacuum, the carpet cleaner. So here's the results of today's cleaning. So it looks a lot cleaner now than it did when I got started here this morning. See, here it is. There's a lot less stainage. It's a lot cleaner. So we're gonna have to come back through and clean it again, or clean it some more at least anyways. Get it really cleaned out. But yeah, it looks a lot different now that everything's been removed, and it looks a lot cleaner now that everything's been kind of vacuumed and carpet cleaned a bit, and I'm hoping it's going to look even better once I really get it cleaned. So yeah, so that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and yeah, that's it.